Hello my dear students, welcome to my class. Today we'll do the second problem from our Telugu Academy textbook, the page number 239. So let us go to through the problem. What is given? Amar and Akbar are partners sharing profits and losses in the ratio of 4:3. So this is the very important point. Ratio of Amar and Akbar is how much? 4:3. It means Amar's share in the profits and losses will be how much? Here I wrote in the working. 4:3 means denominator you have to take 4 plus 3, 7. Amar's share is 4/7 and Akbar's share will be 3/7. Understood no? If it is given 3:2, you have to take 3/5, 2/5 like that in every problem. Their balance sheet is given for March 31st, 2020. So in the balance sheet, if you see the liability side, we have general reserve, capital of Amar, capital of Akbar. The asset side, we have cash and various assets. See what are the conditions given. On the above date, Anthony was admitted into partnership for 1/4 share in the future profits on the following condition. Condition number 1 is Anthony should bring 35,000 towards capital, 28,000 towards goodwill in cash. Land to be valued at 20,000. See, this is the old value of the land, this is the new value. So land value has increased. Machine valued at 23,000. If you compare, value of asset given in the balance sheet will be called as old value, whereas value of the assets given in the adjustment is the new value. Stock is to be depreciated by 10%, that we will find, and provision for bad debts is 1300. Pass necessary journal entries, ledger accounts and give the new balance sheet of the firm. Before starting the problem, I will give you a list of ledgers to be prepared. So this is a 20 marks topic now, 7 ledgers nearly you have to prepare. List of ledger accounts to be prepared in admission of a partner. First one is always revaluation account. Second will be cash or bank account. You have to check in the question. If cash is given, cash account. If bank is given, we will prepare bank account. General reserve account, general reserve account, then profit and loss account if it is given in the problem. Here you have to check here, liability side. If general reserve is there, you have to open general reserve account. If profit and loss account is given, profit and loss account. Here profit and loss account is not given. Goodwill account, partners capital account and new balance sheet. So before starting the problem, always you have to prepare this working notes in the note. So here I gave in a printed form and a written form also. In a written form it will be like this. You have to distribute general reserve, goodwill, revaluation, profit or loss between the old partners. Who are the old partners here? Amar and Akbar. And Anthony will be called as the new partner because he is a newcomer to the partnership. Let us see. Amar and Akbar, how much it is given? 4:3. General reserve is 14,000 if you see the question. This 14,000 should be distributed between Amar and Akbar in 4:3 ratio. So if you divide, Amar's share will be how much? 14,000 into his ratio is 4/7, that is 8,000. Akbar's share is how much? 14,000 into 3/7, we get 6,000. Similar way you have to distribute the goodwill also. Goodwill is given how much here? 28,000. If we distribute, we will get 16,000, 12,000 in 4:3 ratio. Then what instructions he gave? When Anthony is admitted, the value of this assets is changing. Land to be valued at 20,000. What is the value of land here? 15. New value is how much? 20. If you see land value has increased or decreased, value of land has increased by how much? 5,000. How 5,000? 20,000 minus 15,000. Then second asset, machine value is decreased by 2,000. Machine value, new value is 23, old value is how much? 25. 23 minus 5, 25, you will get minus 2,000, that is decrease. Then stock he gave percentage. Stock is depreciated by 10%. What is the value of stock here? 24,000. 24,000 into 10/100 we get 2,400. Last item is reserve for bad debts is 1,300. This is the working notes. So let us see, in a written form also I gave. In this way you have to prepare in the notes. Then we will go to the ledger accounts. What are the ledgers required? revaluation account, cash or bank account, general reserve account, goodwill account, partners capital account and balance sheet. Partners capital account and what? Balance sheet. So these are the ledgers which I kept ready. All these pro forma should be ready. First one will be revaluation account. Below revaluation account you have to prepare cash account. Below that general ledger account. Below that goodwill account. Below that you have to prepare partners capital account, and last is the balance sheet. That should be the order. Now let us start. How to start the problem? So from the given question, if you see, cash balance is given. How much is the cash balance given? If you see 5,000. This is the opening balance of cash. Opening balance of general reserve, opening balance of old partners. You have to take. First we will take cash balance. Cash is asset, no? Asset always starts from which side? Debit side. How much is the balance given? 5,000. Then general reserve, how much is the balance given here? 14,000. These are the opening balances. To balance brought down, by balance brought down. Because general reserve is a liability, we are starting from which side? From which side? Credit side. Same way, capital of Amar and Akbar are given. You have to take in partners capital account. Amar's capital is given how much? See the liability side in the question. 40,000. Akbar capital is how much? 30,000. In this way you have to take. This is our first entry. Always in every problem that is the first step. First you have to take cash balance, general reserve if it is given, and partners capital account you have to take the balance. Then what is the next step then? Next step is what? You have to take what he gave. Anthony should bring 35,000 towards capital and 28,000 towards goodwill in cash. This entry will write. A new partner is admitted, no? That entry in the receipt side of the cash. To Anthony's capital account. What will write? Anthony's capital account. His balance. Anthony's balance is how much? Anthony brought 35,000. The same entry will be passed in the partner's capital account as what? By cash. How much is that? 35,000. Understood? No? First entry. Anthony's capital we have taken in cash account, debit side. Partner's capital account in Anthony's capital as 35,000. Then we have to take the goodwill entry. To goodwill. How much goodwill? Goodwill is how much here? 28,000. In the cash account, first year we have learned, no? In the cash account all the receipts are taken debit side, payments are taken which side? Credit side. So this entry will go in the goodwill account, this side it will come. By cash. How much is that? 28,000. So here, goodwill here what he gave? Goodwill is brought in cash, nothing is given. This goodwill should be distributed to the old partners. To who are the old partners? Amar. Amar's capital account. How much is the share? And to Akbar's capital account. Akbar's capital. How much is this? For this I gave you a working notes, no? How we are distributed? Goodwill, how we have distributed, no? Here it is. Goodwill is 28,000. Amar's share in that is 28,000 into 4 by 7. Akbar's share is 28,000 to 3 by 7, 12,000 and 16,000. So we will take here. Amar's share is how much? 16,000. Akbar's share is how much? 12,000. This calculation you have to do in rough work. So better you keep it ready. So in which account this will go then now? In Amar's capital account, how much will take? 16,000. Akbar's capital account, 12,000. Here we will write what? By goodwill account. How much they will get? 16,000, 12,000. Understood? Now same way as we have done distribution for goodwill, we will distribute the general ledger. Always general ledger should be distributed to the old partners in the old ratio. Amar's capital. What is the old ratio? How we have distributed? 4:3. So 14,000 is distributed as 8,000 and 6,000. So that working notes you have to practice. Once or twice if you practice, you will get 8,000 to Akbar's capital account. How much is Akbar's share in that? 6,000. 6,000. Where this entry should go now? Here it is in the debit of. So in the credit side of partner's capital account, that is in Amar's account and Akbar's account, we will write general reserve. General reserve account. How much we distributed? 8,000 and 6,000. Now these entries are completed. Goodwill entry and general ledger entry we have posted. What are the entries remaining according to the working notes now? Some value of the assets are increasing, some value are decreasing. I have given an arrow also. Land is increasing by 5,000, machine is decreasing by 2,000, stock is decreasing by 2,400 and debtors is decreasing by creating a provision 1,300. So here there is a rule of revaluation. No? What is the rule of revaluation? Asset decrease should be debited, asset increase should be credited. Asset decrease debited, asset increase credited. Only one asset is increasing. What is that? Land. Land account. How much is land increasing? Land increasing by 5,000. That is what we have kept it ready. No? Machine is decreasing by how much? 2,000. So we will write here to machine account. How much is machine decreased? 2,000. Then next asset decreasing is what? Stock. You have to remember this revaluation account rule. Decrease in the asset is debited, increase in the asset is credited. Then 2 RBD, reserve for bad debts. So reserve for bad debts is how much here? It is given directly 1,300. These are the entries. So these items will make the required change in the balance sheet also. For example, land is increased by 5,000, no? Will increase it by 5,000. Machine decreased by 2,000, will decrease it by 2,000 in the new balance sheet. Now everything is complete, no? Just we have to balance. How much is the total here if you see? It is 5,700. Same 5,700 we will write here. 5,700 because debit side is more. So the answer here is 700. That is called as loss. So this loss shall be distributed to the old partners. We will write here by capital accounts. So we will underline that in the notes. What is the capital of Amar? What is the share of Amar here? Amar and Akbar. I gave the working notes here. Amar's share in this loss should be distributed like this. Revaluation loss is 700. Amar's share in that is 700 into 4 by 7, that is 400. Akbar's share will be 700 into 3 by 7, 300. So how we have distributed this loss? Amar's share is how much? 400 and Akbar's share is how much? 300. This will go in their respective accounts, 400 and 300 in the partner's capital account. we will write here by revaluation account. How much is loss? Loss will go in the credit side to revaluation. You have to remember this rule. So we got in the revaluation credit side, we will take in the partner's capital account debit side 400, and here it is 300. So loss, see here it is in the credit side, we should take in the credit side. When you get the answer in the debit side, that will go in the credit side of the partner's capital account. Up to this it is clear. Now this account is balance. So I will highlight you in different color so that easily you can trace it out when you refer. Revaluation loss is how much? 700. Now we will balance cash account. How much is the balance here? If we do the total here, how much is the balance? We will get 68,000. This 68,000 will show here also. No amount in the credit side, no? Then balance carried down is how much? 68,000. We will write here by balance carried down. This is the cash balance. This cash balance we should take in the asset side of the new balance sheet. Now cash balance is how much? 68,000, not 5,000. Next, if you see general ledger, both the sides is equal. 14,000 is in the debit, 14,000 is in the credit. Goodwill is also the same case. Here it is 28,000 and here we will get how much? 28,000. These are balanced. Now which account you have to balance now? Partner's capital account. We will balance here. First we will balance the Antony's capital account. How much is Antony's capital account here? 35,000. We will take here 35,000. The same we will take here 35,000. It is called as what? This is the new balance of the partners. To balance carried down. Balance carried down. Antony's capital now is how much? 35,000. Here we will total now 48,000. So 48,000 is the total. 48,000 minus 300 it is 47,700. Next, this total 64,000. 64,000 minus 400. How much is that? 63,600. These are the new balances of the partners. If you see, capital of Amar was 40,000 before admission of Antony. After admission of Antony, with these adjustments, his capital is increased to how much? 63,600. Capital of Akbar was 30. Now it is 47,700. This should be shown in the new balance sheet. Now, one by one, by seeing the old balance sheet, we will prepare the new balance sheet now. If you see, we start cash balance already we have taken. How much it is? Cash. It is 68,000. No? This 68,000 should be taken in the new balance sheet. Cash already we have taken. Then, what is the next item given? Bills receivable. Bills receivable is how much? No change. Nothing is changed here. No increase, no decrease. We will take as it is 12,000. Next is debtors. Debtors, there is a change. What is the change in debtors? Debtors is given how much? If you see debtors, it is given 28,000. From this, you have to subtract what? Less RBD. How much is RBD? 1,300. This 1,300 you have to subtract from the debtors. If you subtract, how much you will get? You will get how much? 26,700. Correct, no? Now, Next item you have to take is stock. Stock also there is a change. Stock is given how much? 24,000. From that, less you have to subtract what? Depreciation or decrease. How much is the decrease? 2,400. This 2,400 should be subtracted from where? From 24,000. How much is that then? You get how much? 21,600. Next is machine. Machinery balance is 25,000. From that you have to subtract what? Decrease. How much is the decrease from machine? 2,000. So 2,000 should be subtracted. So if you subtract 2,000 from the machine, it is how much? 23,000. Now, these are the items. Now, last item is land in the asset side. Land, if you see it is increasing, so we have to add. Land is given 15,000. Add, increase. Increase of how much? 5,000. So 5,000 should be added the value of the land. If you add 15,000 plus 5,000, how much will get? It is 20,000. This is the asset side. All the values with the changes we have taken. Now, liability side. First item is sundry creditors, there is no change. Sundry creditors, nothing is changed here, as it is we will take 20,000. Outstanding expenses. What is the value of outstanding expenses? You have to refer the question, always partnership. Question should be running in your mind. So here one important point is general ledger, which is given in the question. General outstanding expenses 5,000 you have taken. General ledger should not be taken because already it is distributed to the old partners in the old ratio. You should not take in the new balance sheet. Then capitals. Capitals of the partners will change now. It will not be same as the old part. Capitals will change. We have to take the new ratio, new capital. Capital of Amar will take here. So Amar's capital will be how much now? 63,600. Akbar's capital. Akbar's capital is how much? 47,700. And Anthony, that is a new partner. Anthony's capital is how much? 35,000. These are the new capital. From this, you should not take 40 and 30 because capital has changed after all these changes. After the admission of Anthony, capital of Amar is 63,600. Akbar's capital is 47,700 and Anthony's capital is 35,000. Now, if you total, both the sides should be equal. Here it is 1,71,300 and see the asset side, it is also 1,71,300. 300. Both the sides you should get equal, assets should be equal to liabilities. So in this way you have to do the problems. See, once again if you refer, now if you see once again, first step what we have done, always after reading the problem you have to check in the problem if there is any general ledger in the problem. Here it is there. Whenever general ledger is there, it should be distributed to the partners in the old ratio. What is the ratio here? 4:3. So you have distributed general ledger and goodwill in 4:3 ratio. Goodwill is how much? 28,000. Cash balance is there. So we have to open what accounts? Revaluation account, cash account, general ledger account and goodwill account. Also partners capital account and balance sheet. But what should be the order of the ledgers? First you have to open the revaluation account. Below that you have to open cash or bank account. Below that general ledger account. And in the problem, if there is profit and loss account balance, you have to open profit and loss account, profit and loss account, then goodwill account, partners capital account and new balance sheet. How will start the problem? First you have to prepare the working notes. Working notes, whatever is required to be distributed, like general ledger, profit and loss account balance and goodwill, you have to distribute it in the old ratio. Then whatever changes you have to make in the value of assets and liabilities, you have to do that. Then what is the next step then? You have to take the opening balance of cash, opening balance of general ledger and opening balance of partners capital account. After taking that, one by one you have to take the entries. Here Antony is admitted. Antony's capital is taken in the cash account debit side and Anthony's capital account credit side. Same way we have distributed goodwill, then general ledger. These are the entries. So I will display the problem for some time on the screen. Please make a note of it.